Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Stan and it's winters and you'll find these carrots in the market. Get them, you can make a lovely dessert which I'm sure everyone loves. That's Gajar ka Halwa. So without further ado, let's get started. So let's begin. Here I'll be washing this carrots thoroughly under running water and then we'll start peeling off the skin. After peeling off the skin, we'll just slice the ends and we'll cut the carrot into two halves. And then we'll start grating it. Now while grating it, just make sure that you don't use the inner white part. Just try to avoid it as much as you can. And now we'll start the cooking process, for which I'll be taking 1 tablespoon of ghee and I will transfer this grated carrot into the ghee. Now while transferring it, just make sure that the flame is low. Once the carrot is transferred, just mix it well and you can turn the flame on medium high. Just make sure that you continuously keep mixing this to avoid any burning. And now I'm adding in 1 cup sugar, which is around 200 to 240 grams. Again, I'll mix it well. While you're cooking this carrot and the sugar, you will see all the moisture releasing. Just keep stirring it. And now I'll be adding in 1.5 cup of milk. So if you've seen, I've just added 1 cup milk now, and after that I'll be adding another half cup. Let the flame be on medium because we need to dry up the milk. And now I'll be adding in freshly ground green cardamom, around 1 teaspoon, and we'll give it a mix. Followed by handful of raisins and handful of nuts which I've crushed. After cooking it for a good 10 to 15 minutes, you'll gradually see the moisture drying up. Just keep stirring it and scraping the edges while it's on medium flame. Look at this. It looks delicious. And that's it. Your delicious winter Gajar ka Halwa is ready. You can serve it hot. Oh ho ho, this is looking amazing. Okay, let me taste. This is amazing. Guys, try this out at home. It's a very simple and easy recipe. You will get these carrots in the market, especially in the winters. Don't use the orange ones, it won't taste good. Try this out. Let me know how you like this video, how you like this recipe. If you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, please do subscribe. My mouth is just watering. Okay, bye. See you next time. Bye-bye.